Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today I'm going to review the new BenjiLock bike lock. So we saw Robbie Cabral at the show at CES this year, and we're really excited to see that they came out with some new locks, including this bike lock. So he sent us this to review. So let's check it out. Right. So we are big cyclists, and any cyclist knows you need to have a really nice lock if you're going to leave your bike somewhere. So this is really heavy, very heavy duty. So let's take everything out. So it's got instructions. That's always important. And this is the base. Oh, super heavy. It's really heavy duty, and it's got this thing here is actually where you do your fingerprint. And then there's a little thing you flip up here so that you can charge it. It charges with a micro USB cable. They included the cable, but not the charging brick. So that's how that works. And it's also got, over here, it's got a place for a key. And they include 2 keys if you're not ready to trust your fingerprint. Let's see. So that's the base of the lock. There's the cord. Put that over here. There is the U lock. So super heavy duty. This is not going anywhere, you know, and it clicks in here. If you've used one of these before, it's kind of just like a traditional bike lock. All right, so I put it together, but it's locked. So I need to program it first before we can do that. So let me put this aside here. Put this back over here. And this is the place where you program your fingerprint. And right now, if you can see inside this little thing, it's actually locked. The little thing is pushed in. So if I use any finger to do that, it goes to unlock position. So I'm going to program the master user. And the first thing I need to do is I need to figure out which finger I want to use. I'm going to use this thumb. And then I press that finger down for about 3 seconds until the blue light turns on with a beep. Then I'm going to lift that finger up and press it down with the same finger until the blue light flashes again. All right, so push this down. Get a blue light and a beep. Do it again. I'm going to do it 10 times. All right, so I got my master user in there. So let's lock it up. This guy in here. All right. Okay, so I've got the bike lock locked. So let me unlock it. Go. There it is. It's unlocked. All right, then you just push it in, and then you release it, and it's unlocked. So that's pretty cool. Now it's locked again. So you can use this to lock up your bike. And if you don't want to use the fingerprint, you can always use the key, carry a backup key. And you can program up to 10 different fingerprints in here. So if you want to share this with your friends, or if you just want to program a few more fingerprints to make sure it works, you can do that too. So that's it. That's a BenjiLock bike lock. Thank you.